Saturday morning and today I'm in a small village called Araba, which is in Italy. You can see some Dolomites mountains on my back and I'll try to climb one of those. It's called Piz Boe, which is the highest local peak in here. I'm getting my morning pasticceria because I'm in Italy. Just arrived to Porto Pass, which is 2,200 meters. It's super beautiful here. There is a cable car for lazy people which goes to 2,900 and I'll do a Via Ferrata. The first part is supposed to be easy, just 2 hours of hiking. This is German sanctuary devoted to the 2 world wars. Here's what's inside. And from here the hike to the Via Ferrata starts. So I believe I should hike somewhere there. Finally you can see the gorgeous Marmolada. It's the highest point and the glacier on the top. Here's the beginning of Via Ferrata, which is what I'm gonna do today. The first part is the hardest, so if I fail it I will not be able to do anything. Probably I won't, but I've seen so many people struggling. It's time to start. Okay, another quite nasty passage. Wait. I got these new shoes and I still don't really trust them. And all this road is super slippery. There are a bunch of people there. Look at the amazing views. Marmolada. Small staircase. It's time to go. Another try. Oh fuck. Oh my gosh. So this is a small break and here is a short place where you can stay and enjoy the views, and next is like a whole super exposed traverse on my way. It's nothing complicated, but since this thing is loose, you have to be more careful, and it's obviously scary. Here's the final hard part of the Via Ferrata. There is definitely a deep move over there. I've seen people struggling, and I will be struggling as well. Okay, next. This is the end of Via Ferrata, but still there are a couple of more meters, like maybe 200, 300 meters up to the peak. And there is a hole. So many people walking inside because there is a cable car over there. I feel like there are too many people on the top, so I will eat my ritual chocolate in here, which is 85% of cacao. Very good, very strong. And now I have enough energy. Last steps before I'm gonna see lots of boring tourists over there. Just arrived on the top of Piz Boe, and there is a house in here. I've started to descend down and the views are still amazing. And here's my peak, which I've just been to. This is the hut, which is the last one before I'm going all the way down to the initial parking. I've descended down from that beauty and now the way is very straight all the way down. It's, I don't know, maybe 1 hour. Back to the car, super happy about this. Now I'm gonna drive back to the hotel. I just got my shower and now I'm ready to drive for 1 more hour to Cortina d'Ampezza, which is a bigger city, and there is a very good restaurant. I managed to get into the restaurant. Unfortunately, I'm sitting outside because there is no place inside, so initially the guy told me no, it's all fully booked, but then he allowed me to sit outside. So now I ordered lots of things and I'm waiting for them. For now I just have like bread and olive oil. The good thing about this part of Italy, you have real bread, like real German bread. To finish this beautiful dinner, I got this beautiful ice cream made out of pistachio. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!